So here it is, beginning of March. So I'm gonna try and open up my cold frames and see what they look like for, I don't know, it's been what, 3 or 4 months that, or at least a couple anyway, that they've been snow covered. And we'll go have a look. So the first thing we can do is look at the greenhouse. Greenhouse, it's got a few things in it. We'll see what they look like. Although I have looked a little bit earlier, so it's no surprise to me, but you'll be able to see what started and what stage we're at here. So the first thing of note is we look at the temperature readings here over the winter. Went down to minus 27 Celsius over the winter, and it's been up to 54 degrees in here at some points here early spring. It's pretty hot, so it's 25 degrees in here right now. So the first thing I noticed is I had quite a bit of loss here. I don't know if it's that clear, but this seems to have grown okay. It's going to come back here. What I'm guessing is things were not quite established well enough. But what I do see, if I look at it, everything's on a slant here. So at the bottom part of the slant, where it obviously gets colder, everything died. I don't think anything's gonna come back here. So this is corn salad, I think, if I can remember right, and watercress, things that I thought were winter hardy, and I guess, well, we'll see. We'll see. It was a trial. We'll see what happens. Cold frame that the sun hits and snow all melts off it. And the other one is underneath this pile here. We'll be having a look at that in a minute, see what happened there. I like the looks of this one a lot better. I can see that stuff made it through, and it's gonna come back. I'll have some food in here, I'm guessing within a few weeks, as the sun starts, if it starts to grow again. Now this is quite a bit better, although I'm guessing it's below zero in there because this cloth is frozen to the ground. But look, I've got some good, this is garlic, it's in the front. So I don't think I'm going to take the snow off it. It's quite a bit of snow left. I might just let Mother Nature do its work. So as is per usual, I didn't really listen to myself, and I did take the snow off it, because I figured there's quite a bit of weight on there, and that's just, you know, it's just windows and glass. So I didn't really want it to collapse in there, and then I'd be in a big mess. But so that's done, and now the sun will be able to hit it once it does get around there. I'm on the north side of my house, so, and there is some sun. If I go back here and let you, the greenhouse is actually in the sun right now, as it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun's like over here, like more in the west, so there's no leaves in these trees anymore right now, or yet I should say, so we're getting some sun there. So my best bet would probably be up in here. Seems to be like that cold frame there, the snow got melted off it quicker than that one down, which is a few degrees east of this one, but just enough in the shadow of the house and the pool to not gain as much sunlight, but I don't really mind. We'll see. The things in there were more established anyway. They were planted in September, seeded in September and transplanted, end of August and transplanted somewhere near the end of September. So I like the way, I don't see much loss in there. Here a little bit more, but and then there was the same as last year. I lost a lot. So what I'll do in there, which seems to work well, is plant some whatever you call it, some spinach, and then I'll have some nice spinach there within a month or so. So that's it for today, and then we'll keep you informed of what's going on later.